by Kapoor Saab, by my parents, and it became a shield. So in so many unknown ways, their Ghana Ghana Saya.
The Modern School Old Students Association collected 20 lakh rupees for the renovation of the hall, which has been named after Mr. M.N. Kapoor. We met a group of Spic Mackey enthusiasts here.
Modern School has always been a leader in Spic Mackey activities and programs. For example, the weekly meetings held on Saturday and Wednesday are held in our school.
Spic Mackey is the Society for Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amidst the youth. Modern School is nurturing the seed which was sown by Dr. Kiran Seth, who is the founder member of Spic Mackey, a modernite. Spic Mackey organizes lecture demonstrations.
I'll try to sing something to show you. Like da 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 ra ra da 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 da. With the plectrum, da 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 da. So I sing through my sarod.
Art craft workshops which are held daily so that the youth are introduced with the culture.
Interact Club stands for International Action. It is a Rotary-sponsored club for the youth between the age groups of 14 to 18. This club was formed in Modern School in 1981. The main objective is to undertake at least 2 major projects every year. Our school has been undertaking projects like organizing the blood donation camp. This year, we'll be organizing the 20th annual blood donation camp. Every year, we have at least 200 donors from the school itself. We also visit the missionaries of charity quite regularly. We are involved in fundraising for the same. We write exams for the blind students. And we have also held organizations such as CRY and HelpAge India.
Okay, I can see a lot of you wearing these wonderful...
Interaction is not restricted to the Interact Club alone. The new principal of Modern School Barakhamba Road, Mrs. Lata Vaidyanathan, encourages the student body to interact openly with her, without any fear. The atmosphere is truly democratic, one of promise, understanding and warmth.
Have a greater reason to explain to me what you understand by recognition, what you understand by responsibility.
Ma'am, this badge is given to those people who have demonstrated an ability to work in this field for whatever badge they've got.
Ma'am, I think on the other point of view would be that because you're responsible, that is why you recognize it.
Now let's talk about responsibility. How do you understand responsibility?
It's commitment. Being able to take commitment to yourself.
Commitment to yourself.
To your
a belief of another person in you.
Beliefs. What kind of failures have you met with while dealing with responsibility you presume you have undertaken?
Lack of coordination, I believe.
Coordination or cooperation?
Cooperation.
Actually, more of cooperation. How would you think modern school is different?
Modern school gives you opportunities where you can study in every field. It gives you opportunities to express your attitude, to do everything. It gives you opportunities to maybe go for debates, if some mark pass excel debates, to do community service if you want to, co-curriculars, computers, everything. Most of all, everything.
I'm still not feeling convinced because this is something which is perhaps happening in every other school.
In other schools, teachers tell you what to do, and that's how you go about it. But over here, you can
here the environment is such that confidence within us comes naturally. It's not enforced.
Ma'am, they try to make children independent.
And it's not only that, a person who passes out from modern, there's always a difference in him.
Yeah, okay. Stemming from all this, if you really want to do a good job, then we need to talk about discipline, right? because that might, if nothing, it tells on the time. Good utilization of man hours in school. Therefore, let me have 3 different kinds of definitions on discipline.
Discipline is a lot to do with your mental.
One discipline is self-control.
Quite same thing. It's more to do with your mind than with your actions. Discipline has to come from within.
Has to come from within. Do you find the lack of it?
Yes.
What would you do about it?
It has to be enforced.
You feel you're controlled. You're feeling told. So these things are not very process-oriented things. Yeah? Who's the most clownish character in your school? Who's clownish? Teachers. I love to hear that. There's nobody listening to you, so you can tell me. None of which you obey.
The modern school Vasant Vihar has also got a new principal in Mrs. Goldie Malhotra.
How are we different from other schools?
Very good. Now, how are we different from other schools? Other schools may be striving to produce very bright children, that's all. But here, we want our children to remain modern as well as remain attached to their roots. They must know their roots well, be aware of their roots, should not get away from their own culture. And that is possible only if we keep on learning about new things at the same time, try to revive our past time and again to learn from it and be proud of our heritage.
What is lacking in the modern education system that is lacking in our school as well?
With the Western influence, our children are changing very fast with the time and they are losing certain moral values as such. And I feel school can play a very important role here. We have to tell them that money cannot buy everything. So you have to develop a kind of compassion for everyone, respect for elders. Now these are the values which pay you in long run.
What needs to be changed is the sense of values.
I finished my college and joined the school in 1964. And I continue to be here, and as I tell my students, I feel like a grandmother to their children. And it's a very beautiful feeling because I've seen this school grow and I have grown with it.
जहाँ जहाँ मॉडर्न स्कूल का छात्र गया, वहाँ वहाँ समाज में उस सपने की रंगीनी अपने तरीके से बिखेरता चला गया.
I must admit that modern school gave me the strength and courage to face the world and to interact and to be able to communicate, and modern school gave me the language to speak.
At the age of 19, I was a commissioned officer, and at the age of 19 and a half, I was a jet pilot, flying fighter aircraft, etc. Right here in Palam. 62 war came with the Chinese. 65 wars, 71 wars, one had participated in all those wars, and honored to be sitting on the highest chair in the Air Force.
I was a professional soldier, had an excellent career, outstanding record in the army. My major contribution in life to this country has been the National Cadet Corps. It is the biggest, largest, finest youth movement in the country today.
Modern school girls learnt a lot of independence and a lot of spirited kind of attitudes. That's what we developed thanks to modern school. And most of us are working and have done well.
Each of us as a modernite would want to hear of the new generation of modernites. Oh, that person from modern school, he's done such and such a thing which has brought glory to our country.
All the time we have to keep updated in whatever we are doing. What I also want to do as chairperson is to restore the pride of this school and to restore the buildings. The buildings have been declared heritage buildings, and I do want to spend a lot of time restoring the buildings to their former glory.
The modern school invites prominent citizens of our country to be chief guests at various functions. This time, it was Dr. Kiran Bedi.
बच्चों, ये आपका भविष्य का दिन है. हमारा वर्तमान है और भविष्य है. आपका पूरा ही भविष्य का दिन है. मेरी नज़र में आपको पता है अधिकार किसके लिए होते हैं और कर्तव्य किसके लिए होते हैं? We only talk of one side of the coin, and that one side of the coin is my right. My right to good school, my right to loving parents, my right to pocket money, my right to good clothing, my right to television watching, my right to holidays, my right to pass, even if I don't deserve to pass, my right to be promoted, my right to good college, my right to waste time. But do we say, my duty to study, my duty to work hard, my duty to respect my parents, my duty to respect the elders, my duty to respect and love my school? Do we say that enough? एक चीज रोज सुबह उठ के करा करो, वो है धन्यवाद. Thank your school, thank your teachers, thank your parents, thank this great nation for having given you what you have today. And then resolve every day that as I grow up, I will do better and better.
Occasions like these offer children innumerable opportunities to exhibit their talent, bringing them boundless joy, building their confidence as well as leadership qualities.
I still remember the morning prayers. I used to enjoy singing with all the other friends, and sometimes I used to play in the assembly. And when there was free period or Founders Day, I was given the opportunity to perform.
Pandit Nehru was the chief guest and I was the speaker on behalf of the students. Every place it was Chacha Nehru, Chacha Nehru.
चाचा जी आपको लड़के ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं कि लड़कियाँ?
अभी देखने की बात है, यहाँ ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ हैं कि लड़के? लड़कियाँ, तो मुझे लड़कियाँ ज़्यादा.
Have the children from little Ketaki's time really changed? Do they really feel as strongly about their school as the modernites do?
The study is excellent in the school. The teachers are very nice.
It is very big and it is very airy.
I like the teachers in the school and sports and activities.
It has many sports facilities. No one can compete with me and my friends or any other modernite in this whole world.
It was Gandhiji's appeal that the finest of institutions were born, and we were entrusted with a great responsibility of carrying it forward. And today, once again, modern school is becoming what Gandhiji's dream was.
80 years is a long time, and batch after batch of students has witnessed the highs and lows of the 20th century with unmatched equilibrium. And yet, fired by the modern spirit, diving into the 21st century with courage and determination to explore new depths, to touch new skies in blue. Truly, Lala Raghubir Singh's successful experiment in education. No wonder, still modern at 80.